Today, I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 40mm Bluetooth smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 continues Samsung's legacy of crafting smartwatches that blend cutting-edge health tracking, style, and practicality into one seamless experience. This year's model refines everything users love about the Galaxy Watch line. It's smarter, lighter, and more comfortable, all while offering new health insights powered by Galaxy AI. Designed for people who want both sophistication and substance, the Galaxy Watch 8 proves that a smartwatch can be both a fashion statement and a deeply capable fitness companion. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch 8's design stands out with its new cushion-shaped aesthetic. It's sleeker, thinner, and lighter than ever before, giving it a comfortable and snug fit that feels natural to wear all day and night. Samsung is clearly focused on making the Watch 8 not just look good, but feel effortless to live with. The smooth, minimalist profile looks equally at home in the gym, the office, or a night out. It's designed to stay on your wrist without ever getting in your way. Perfect for 24/7 tracking and everyday wear. What really sets the Galaxy Watch 8 apart is its advanced health and fitness intelligence. Samsung's new Energy Score feature, powered by Galaxy AI, gives users a single number that reflects their overall well-being. It combines your sleep data, heart rate, and physical activity from the previous day to help you understand how your body is performing and recovering. This insight helps you make smarter choices about when to rest, when to train, and how to manage your day for better energy balance. Sleep tracking has always been a strong point for Samsung, and the Galaxy Watch 8 takes it even further. With the updated advanced sleep coaching and bedtime guidance, you get a more complete picture of your nightly rest. The watch tracks not just how long you sleep, but also your sleep stages, breathing, and consistency. Then, it uses that data to offer practical recommendations, like suggesting an ideal bedtime or highlighting factors affecting your rest. The result is a more personalized approach to improving your sleep quality and, by extension, your daily energy and focus. For fitness enthusiasts, the Galaxy Watch 8's running coach is one of its most impressive features. It provides real-time performance feedback while you run, helping you fine-tune your pace, stride, and effort levels. Whether you're training for a 5K, a marathon, or just trying to improve your cardio, the running programs adapt to your personal progress. It's like having a professional trainer on your wrist, guiding you toward your goals without the guesswork. Beyond running, the watch supports a wide range of workouts and offers detailed insights into heart rate, calories burned, and vascular load, a new metric that helps you understand how stress, diet, and sleep impact your physical condition. The improved interface makes daily use smoother and more intuitive than ever. Information like weather updates, sports scores, and news can now be viewed at a glance, thanks to a redesigned layout that prioritizes clarity and simplicity. You'll find yourself checking it more often, simply because it feels so fluid and natural. It's the kind of experience that fits effortlessly into your day, keeping you informed without being overwhelming. And then there's the personal assistant aspect of the Galaxy Watch 8. With the help of Galaxy AI and integrated smart features, your watch now feels like a real companion. You can manage your to-do list, check reminders, and even handle notifications without ever touching your phone. It's all hands-free, quick, and deeply integrated into Samsung's ecosystem. Whether you're managing your schedule or getting reminders about upcoming meetings, it feels less like a gadget and more like a true personal assistant. Despite its slimmer form, the Galaxy Watch 8 still delivers strong battery life. Samsung's improved power optimization ensures that you can track your health, monitor your workouts, receive notifications, and use all its intelligent features throughout the day on a single charge. For most users, it comfortably lasts beyond a full day of active use, meaning you can wear it overnight for sleep tracking without needing to constantly reach for the charger. Altogether, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 2025 refines everything that made its predecessors great while adding meaningful upgrades powered by AI. It's smarter in how it interprets your health, sleeker in how it feels on your wrist, and more capable in how it helps you live better every day. From its advanced sleep tracking and real-time coaching to its elegant design and improved battery life, the Galaxy Watch 8 offers one of the most complete smartwatch experiences on the market today. If you're looking for a wearable that combines style, intelligence, and practical wellness insights, all backed by a solid 2-year warranty, the Galaxy Watch 8 is the perfect choice for 2025 and beyond.